In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to get your sneakers go from looking like this to looking like this in just no time. Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Grau and I'm a sneaker artist. I've been doing customs for over 6 years now, but today's video is gonna be a bit different because today I'm gonna be teaching you how to get rid of the creases on your sneakers using only household items. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is how they were looking initially, and after a quick wash in the washing machine they looked something like this. Now you can still see the creasing on the toe box, but now we're gonna get into what we need to get rid of that. Let's go. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna need the table, and it can be any table, it doesn't have to be a special one, just make sure that it's properly secured. So what you're gonna need next is an iron. Fill it up and make sure that you set it to the maximum temperature, as this will bring you the best results possible. So the third step, if you're using white sneakers for this project, is to get a white towel. The reason for this being that if the towel has any pigment in it, there's a chance of it transferring to the stitching or onto the actual leather of the sneakers when applying heat and moisture together. So next up, you're gonna need a bowl in which you're gonna add some water. It doesn't have to be full. The next step that you're gonna be taking is to get your sneakers and take the laces off of them. So here you can see how much creasing there actually is on the toe box of the sneakers, and usually this is worse on the inside part of the sneaker than on the outside. For step number 6, you're looking for something to stuff the sneakers with. I would not recommend a towel for this since it's harder to fold and shape properly. Now, in my experience, smaller fabrics such as t-shirts or socks work best. The key here is to stuff as much as you can inside of the sneaker while making sure that the shape is even. So you want the leather to be fully stretched when applying heat. Bonus tip, put some in the back as well. For step number 7, you're gonna get your bowl and wet the towel in it. Now the towel will go straight onto the sneakers, so make sure that you take off any excess liquid from it. So here I already preheated the iron. Focus on the areas that are most affected by the creasing. Now using constant pressure, apply the iron on top of the wet towel. Go over the creases as many times as necessary, but make sure to let the sneakers cool down once in a while before repeating the process. My personal recommendation is to do this 3 to 4 times on each side before letting them cool down and repeating the process if necessary. So you should right away start seeing the results on your sneakers. If not, try applying more pressure when using the iron. The toe box is probably the hardest part to get right, but if you're careful and apply this method properly, you should get some good results. On the more difficult areas, try going the same way as the creasing goes. Bear in mind, this process will also work on most leather sneakers, shoes and boots if done properly. There's also a downside. Now this will not stay in shape forever now that we took the creases out, but you can always repeat the process once in a while. So the final result should look something like this. As you can see, there's still some creasing going on there, but when comparing to their previous state, they're looking much better. You can tell right away how the difference between the before and the after is a significant one. Okay guys, so there you have it. This is the final result. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and in case you did, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content just like this. Once again, my name is Grau. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Stay safe. Bye.